Good afternoon, it's Jim at Thunderbolt Locks, and I'm here today to give you some installation tips on the keyed release that gets installed typically on the driver's door when you install locks on all four doors of a van. If the van has a plastic trim panel on the door, you're going to remove that panel to see if there's a factory hole where there's a grommet that fits in. If so, remove the forward grommet, reinstall the plastic panel again, and then from the inside of the door, you're going to mark the plastic panel on where you would drill. So now I know where to drill the hole for my keyed release.
Okay, just do your process.
Be here. I can just get a plug.
Go ahead. Hold on, let me get a...
And it loosened up, Ed.
The housing can be installed in one of two positions. You're either going to have the set screws facing outward of the door itself, which will require you to drill a small hole to get the Allen key tool and bolt through to install this once the housing is in place. Or if you have a shallow end of the door that you can reach in, it's much easier to flip this housing and install it this way, where you can just reach in from behind and then attach the bolt and the eyelet right to this housing. So it can either go in this way here, or if you flip it, again, you're going to need to draw a perpendicular line through the follow it through the bolt And then depending on the at-rest position of this, you're going to locate that hole, and that's where you would drill your hole to be able to get this bolt and then the Allen wrench through to thread that in. Now that we have the keyed release completely installed, you can see that with the bolt active, to install the key, turn it, you're only going to pull about 1 inch of cable once it's out. So once this stops, you're just going to pull it a short amount to release that bolt. If you have any questions, you can contact us at thunderboltlocks.com.